Hi, this is Michelle Cromer. This is your Feng Shui tip and question of the week. It comes from Paula. Michelle, I look forward to your videos, and I have a question. My husband has been asking me for more space. I asked him what he meant, and he said in all aspects of our relationship. I'm not sure how to give him this and wanted to see if you had a Feng Shui answer. First of all, Paula, kudos on your relationship. Y'all have communication. He's telling you what his needs are, and you're concerned about his needs and wanting to follow through with that. So yes, I have some Feng Shui suggestions. Number one, there's been books written about this throughout centuries, the difference between the male energy and the female energy in a traditional relationship. But what if you're the same sex? There are yin and yang energies in a same-sex partnership. In my relationship, I have more yang energy than my partner, and that's just the way it is. I'm attracted to people that have yin energy. So here's my suggestion. Let's define yin and yang. Yang is masculine, and it's big, and it's bold, and it's red, and it's triangles, and it's fire. And yin is soft, and it's water, and it's blue, and it's black, and it's wavy lines, and it's intuitive. In yin and yang and in Feng Shui, yang is time and yin is space. So your yang male husband is asking you for yin space. He's trying to find balance. So let's give him that balance by doing a couple things. When he comes home, provided he comes home before you, give him some space. Don't talk to him, don't communicate, just let him be. Allow him, if he wants to go on a trip by himself. That always helps me kind of, get into my yin energy when I do that. Bring in some blues and some blacks and some soft music and some water features, and just bring that whole energy, slow it down in your bedroom and in the living room, in the middle of your house where your health is, and communicate with him and see if these changes really are affecting him. And if they're not, then do something that is. But how great. Thanks. Good question. This is Michelle Cromer. Please follow me at Michelle Cromer Feng Shui on Facebook, or ask me any questions at Michelle@michellekromer.com. Thanks.